Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to fix the keyboard problem on your mobile phone keyboard problem. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to additional setting. Here it is, so you have to click on it. After you have been click on it, you have to click on the languages and input. Then from here you have to click on the languages. You have to click on the current keyboard. Okay, then if suppose I'll show you, if suppose your keyboard is like this, no, wait, I'm gonna show you here. If this problem happen with you, same to same this problem, so I can fix with you. Okay, if you want to fix this problem on your mobile phone, okay, this one. So let's move on to additional setting. Then from here you have to move on the language and input, then click on the current keyboard. Okay, so you just need to click on the emoji keyboard and the keyboard will be changed, it will be fixed. Okay, you can see the solution, it has been fixed. Okay, the keyboard has been into numbers. Before no, it was there is no alphabet, right? Now there is alphabet. Okay, so you can fix the problem of the keyboard like this. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.